He began circling me.
Aren't humans usually terrified of us? And aren't you, for that matter, supposed to keep to your side of the wall?
I've never had anything to fear from them.
And yet they brought you to the Great Rite and abandoned you.
They went to get refreshments.
It might be a while before they return. May I escort you somewhere in the meantime?
No.
Enjoy the ride then. Try to stay out of trouble.
So you're not a part of the Spring Court?
No, I'm not a part of the noble Spring Court. I'm glad of it.
Why are you here then?
Because all the monsters have been let out of their cages tonight, no matter what court they belong to. So I may roam wherever I wish until the dawn.